Okay, it's time to do a little kitchen drawer cleanup here. So this is my silverware drawer, and you can see right there in the very front on the left, I have a bunch of garbage bags stuffed in there, and that keeps all these other little weird trays from sliding around. There's gaps in the trays, things are getting through. The serviceware in the back is definitely a mess. I like the silverware organizer, actually. It's an OXO organizer. It has some flexibility that I like, but it does get really dirty inside it. So let's get this organized. Okay, the drawer's empty and clean and ready to be reloaded. So I am going to start with the back. The things that I use the least go in the back. So things like holiday serviceware, right? Some of these are real silver. Yuck, you have to polish that. Things you don't use very often at the back. Then the more common serviceware, right? Just big spoons, butter knife, sugar spoon, big forks, right? Now this box is a box that was created. There's no box there, but just by linking in these, I've created this box and put the extra pieces for my drawer there so I don't lose them. And then in the back here, we've got wine openers. I don't know why we need 4 wine openers, but there they are. Then we've got scissors here, and my box cutter belongs there too. I don't know where it is. There it is. Okay, scissors and box cutter, tea strainers right there. I've got my big regular kind of everyday steak knives here. We're gonna fill in with teaspoons and tablespoons, forks. You know, always when you're doing something like this, there's always a fair amount of garbage also, things that you don't actually need. They've sort of made their way into your area. So there's a bunch of things that are going in the garbage as well. Oh, and then of course I've got all these little fancy cheese spreaders, right? And they, again, not everyday use. So we'll just put those back there with that. Well, now look at that. What a difference, right? Everything organized, everything accessible, clean, easy to clean. I mean, you are just absolutely going to love working with the 1.5-inch organizers in things like your silverware drawer.